Hello students. So today we will pick a very important topic, that is image formation in mirrors. Okay. So first we need to understand what are the rules for image formation. So rules for image formation. Okay, I am telling in the case of concave mirror. This is concave mirror. This is principal axis. If you have not seen my previous video, lecture 1, please refer to the previous video so that you can understand better. These all introductions are given in previous video. You can get the link in the description box. So this is concave mirror, this is principal axis, this is pole. Okay, this is focus and this is center of curvature. So what the first rule says, if there is an object, okay, then the ray parallel to principal axis, this ray is parallel to principal axis. So whenever the ray is coming parallel to principal axis, it will pass from the focus always. Okay, थोड़ा सा क्या है, इसको सीधा कर देते हैं, leave it. हाँ, so whenever the ray of light is parallel to principal axis, this is principal axis, so it passes from the focus. Okay, so write in your copy that whenever the ray of light is parallel to principal axis, it always passes from the focus. This was first rule. Then second one, just vice versa of the first rule. Principal axis, focus, center of curvature. Okay, so whenever a ray of light passes through the focus, whenever the ray of light passes through the focus, after reflection, it passes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, after reflection, it will pass parallel to the principal axis, just the opposite, vice versa of the first rule is the second one. Okay, fine. Now third rule, rule of center of curvature. Pole, focus, center of curvature. So the rule says whenever a ray of light passes through the center of curvature, then after reflection from the mirror, it will follow the same path. Means after reflection, it will trace back the same path to return. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से जाएगा तो उसी पाथ से वापस आएगा. फाइन, वो या ऐसे जाए, ऐसे भी जाएगा तो भी इसी पाथ से वापस आएगा. फाइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट द फोर्थ रूल एंड द फाइनल वन. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Whenever the ray of light directly strikes on pole, whenever ray of light directly strikes on the pole, it will reflect back and it will follow law of reflection. Law of reflection says angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Means यहाँ पर अगर छोटा सा मिरर का पार्ट देखेंगे तो इट बिहेव्स लाइक अ प्लेन मिरर. ओके, सो इट फॉलोज द लॉस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. मींस ये ऐसे जाएगा, ऐसे पास होगा. कंडीशन इज दैट एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. इट फॉलोज लॉस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. सो दीज वेर द फोर लॉज, फोर रूल्स which will be used in image formation. So let's move ahead to image formation. So now image formation, first mirror which we'll see is concave mirror. We need to know following points: position of object, कि object कहाँ रखा हुआ है, position of image, after reflection image कहाँ बना, then size of image. What is the size of image after reflection? and nature of image. Nature of image, it will be real, it will be virtual, like that. You have already studied in your lower classes also about real and virtual images. Yes, and if you have not understand properly, you can understand here by the diagrams also. So first case when the object is at infinity, ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इन्फिनिटी, मतलब दूर कहीं बहुत दूर में, इन्फिनिटी में. सो दिस इज कॉन्केव मिरर, पोल, फोकस, center of curvature. Now remember one thing, whenever rays means object are kept in infinity, the rays from the object will come parallel. How? Object is kept somewhere in the infinity, बहुत दूर में कहीं रखा है. So rays are coming parallel in this way. ऐसा एक ऐसा. There will be two rays with the object. Okay. So this line is parallel to principal axis. It will pass from the focus. Okay. And this line is also parallel to principal axis. This will also pass from the focus. Okay, so where the point where the reflected rays ये reflect हुए हैं, the point where the reflected ray meets, at that point image is formed. Okay, so image is formed at focus. Position of image at focus. Okay. Now size of image यहाँ पर दिख नहीं रहा है इमेज कि कितना बड़ा है, इन्वर्टेड है, उल्टा है, ऐसा दिख भी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन इन्वर्टेड बना है और बहुत छोटा सा पॉइंट साइज हाईली डिमिनिश्ड मीन्स धुंधला. ओके. नेचर ऑफ इमेज real and inverted. Real means the image will be formed on the left side of the mirror and it will be inverted. Whenever there is a real image, it will always be inverted. Inverted means उल्टा. अगर ऐसा है ऑब्जेक्ट तो हम लोग को ऐसा दिखेगा उल्टा. ऑब्जेक्ट अगर ऐसा है तो रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद उसका इमेज ऐसा बनेगा उल्टा. Fine. So this is real and inverted. So you need to know the position of image, size of image, nature of image. An exam it is asked that when the object is at infinity, what is the position of image? या फिर न्यूमेरिकल्स में भी काम आता है. Fine. The size is point size, highly diminished, real and inverted. अगर वर्चुअल होगा तो वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट केस ऑफ कॉन्केव मिरर. द फर्स्ट केस इज व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इंफिनिटी. मार्क इट एज फर्स्ट केस. नाउ द सेकंड केस ऑफ इमेज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कॉन्केव मिरर. आई हैव रिटन हियर द पॉइंट्स बिकॉज आई नीड दिस मच स्पेस फॉर मेकिंग द रे डायग्राम. सो in the second case the object is kept at between center of curvature C and infinity, somewhere between center of curvature and infinity. This is our concave mirror. Okay, pole, focus, center of curvature. Now the object is between infinity stuff, center of curvature. So somewhere here, and here is our object between center of curvature and infinity. Now there will be two rays from an object. Okay, one ray will be parallel to principal axis. Fine. And it will pass from focus. Okay, arrows are very important in ray diagram. Okay, and the other ray will pass from the focus. Okay, and after passing through focus it will be parallel to the principal axis. Okay, now the point where the two rays meets after the reflection is the place where the image will be formed. This is the place. Okay, now what we can see, the image is formed between focus and center of curvature. So position of image between center of curvature and focus. Okay, fine. Now what happens here, the size of image now gets big, okay, but it is small as compared to the object. It is small as compared to the object. So it is small as compared to the object, so we will write small size. Okay, small in size. Now nature image is formed on the left side of the mirror, okay, before the mirror, so it is real and it is inverted. Real and inverted. Okay, in maximum cases, leaving only the last case, all the images will be real and inverted. Remember this thing in concave mirror, leaving only one case. Now we will see the next case. The third case is when the object is at center of curvature C. Okay, so this is very interesting and important position where the image is formed. Okay, so remember this thing: pole, focus and center of curvature. Okay, now when the object is at center of curvature, fine, then there will be again two rays. One ray will be parallel to principal axis and it will pass from the focus, fine, and the other ray will pass from the focus as usual from the previous case, and it will pass parallel to the principal axis. Fine, the place where the image is formed, is सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ओनली. अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे तो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर में ही इमेज बनेगा. सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट एट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, image is also formed at the center of curvature only. Fine. Okay, now size is same size will be formed. Okay, same size. Fine, same size. Now nature of the image, again the same, real and inverted. So remember this case. Okay, this case is important. Whenever the object is kept at center of curvature, image is also formed at the same place, center of curvature. Size of the object is same as the size of the image, and real and inverted. Okay, so next case, when the object अभी सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर में था, थोड़ा और आगे जाएंगे, एक पैटर्न नोटिस करेंगे आप. ऑब्जेक्ट जो है आगे की ओर खसकते जा रहा है. फाइन, अर्लियर इट वाज एट फर्स्ट केस इंफिनिटी, देन बिटवीन इंफिनिटी एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, फिर और आगे गया सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, अब बिटवीन सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड फोकस, बिटवीन C and F. This is concave mirror, principal axis, pole, focus and center of curvature. Okay, now the object is between center of curvature and focus. So same rule, one ray will be parallel to principal axis and it will pass from the focus. Okay, and the other ray will pass from the focus and it will be parallel to principal axis. Now the rays are meeting here beyond C or between infinity and center of curvature, anything you can write beyond C. Okay, C के पीछे बना है. Now what we can notice, size of the image now is getting bigger, है ना? So size is big in size. Okay, or enlarged, we can say. Enlarged is better word, enlarged. Okay, and again it will be real and inverted. Fine. Okay, now the next case थोड़ा और आगे ले जाते हैं. At focus, now object is kept at focus, or you can write F. This is concave mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Okay, now the object is kept at focus. Fine. Now one ray will be parallel to principal axis and it will pass from the focus, ऐसा. और दूसरा ये तो फोकस से जाता था, बट ये तो खुद फोकस में है, तो कैसे जाएगा? So the second ray will be going like this in the path of center of curvature. ये देखेंगे ना ऐसे, तो this is in the path of center of curvature only. ये ऐसा center of curvature का path है. Fine. So यहाँ से पड़ेगा और वहीं से वापस आएगा रिफ्लेक्ट होके, because this is path of center of curvature. I have told in rules of reflection for image formation, okay, that whenever the ray of light will pass from the center of curvature, it will retrace back in the same path. तो यहाँ से वापस center of curvature से जाएगा. Okay, fine. Now these two rays are parallel. These two rays are parallel, and parallel line meets at infinity. So image will be formed at infinity. Fine. Image at infinity. Image कहाँ बनेगा? Infinity. Fine. Size of the image, again we can write enlarged, or we can say highly enlarged. That will be better because it is forming at infinity. So we can write highly enlarged, because last case was enlarged, so it will be highly enlarged. And nature of the image same, real and inverted. Okay, fine. So this was the case of focus. The center of curvature वाला थोड़ा याद रखना है ना? They will be parallel. Next case, so now last sixth and the last case. Now the object is kept between pole and focus, है ना? Pole, focus, center of curvature, object is kept somewhere here. Okay, now the ray cannot pass through focus. ऐसा कोई केस नहीं बनेगा. This is the last and special case. What will happen? Listen here. One ray will strike the pole. Okay, and I have told the case or the rule of image formation that whenever ray of light strikes at the pole, it follows the laws of reflection. तो ये ऐसा पढ़ के ऐसे आ जाएगा. Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, and the other ray will be same for center of curvature case. Okay, ये ऐसे जाएगा और ये पढ़ के वापस से center of curvature से आएगा, like the previous case. Fine. ये ऐसे center of curvature वाला path पकड़ेगा और उसी से retrace back होगा. तो रेस कहीं मिल रहे हैं क्या? रेस आर नॉट मीटिंग. अगर रेस पैरेलल होते तो इन्फिनिटी मीट कर लेते, लेकिन ये तो एक दूसरे से दूर दूर भाग गए हैं. दे विल नेवर मीट. सो हाउ दे विल मीट? कैसे इमेज बनेगा? सो दे विल मीट वर्चुअली. वर्चुअली मीन्स मिरर के पीछे. नाउ सी हियर कैसे. आई एम एक्सटेंडिंग these two lines on the back of the mirror. Virtually I am extending, okay? Like this, they will meet here, okay? Now, when we see image is formed here, okay? और image कैसा सीधा है? Because it is virtual image. Virtual image is always erect, okay? So, image is formed, position of image behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Size of image enlarged. उससे बड़ा है. Not highly enlarged. Okay? Nature, यहाँ पे nature change होगा virtual and erect. Okay, remember this case, the sixth case where image is virtual and erect. Okay, fine. Lines are a bit zigzag, but you can draw straight lines. It will definitely meet. Okay, so this was the case for concave mirror. Okay, now we will see cases for image formation for convex mirror. For convex mirror, we have only two cases. Both are very simple. Okay, first case, when the object is at infinity. So we will draw a convex mirror. This is our convex mirror. Pole, here it will be focus and somewhere center of curvature that side. इस तरफ कुछ है ही नहीं, है ना? यही होता है convex mirror का. So now object is at infinity. That means parallel line will come from the infinity. ऐसा आएगा. These two lines are coming from infinity. Okay? और ये मिरर है तो ये ऐसे टकरा के निकल जाएगा. ये ऐसा and like this. Okay? Up these two rays are not meeting. So how they will meet? They will meet virtually, like the previous case. Okay? Remember for convex mirror that there are two cases, and in both cases image form will be virtual and erect. Virtual ही बनेगा दोनों केस में. And in concave mirror there was only one case for virtual and erect case. Rest all the other cases was real and inverted. Fine. So in this case we will extend the lines and it will pass from the focus. Okay, and this ray also will pass from the focus. Okay, dotted lines. Now the point where the rays meet virtually, at that point image will be formed. So image कहाँ पे form हुआ है? At focus. Okay, size highly diminished. Whenever image will be formed at focus, it will be highly diminished, like our first case of concave mirror. Nature virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Remember this case. Okay, fine. So let's move to the second and the last case. Now, the last case for convex mirror. Okay, this is our convex mirror. Pole, इस तक तो कुछ है नहीं. So यहाँ कहीं रख देते हैं कहीं भी. So the object is between infinity and pole. Pole और infinity के बीच में कहीं भी है. Fine. So and here this side there will be focus, center of curvature. Okay. So one ray will be parallel to principal axis and it will pass from the. No, it will not pass from anywhere. It will get reflected back. Okay, but if we need to draw its virtual image, it will pass from the focus. We will draw it. Okay, and the second ray, वो क्या करेगा? वो जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है ना, उसको वर्चुअली उस डायरेक्शन में जाने की कोशिश करेगा. कैसे? तो देखो, ये जो है ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के डायरेक्शन में जाने का कोशिश कर रहा है. CL. ओके, ये वर्चुअली क्या है, बट इट इज गोइंग टू सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, तो ये ऐसे जाएगा, उसी डायरेक्शन से वापस आ जाएगा, ये गया और वापस आया, बिकॉज इट इज पोजिशन फॉर सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. फाइन. एंड द सेकेंड रे विल पास फ्रॉम द फोकस, है ना, वर्चुअली जैसा बताया था मैं. द पोजिशन वेयर द टू रे मीट्स विल बी द पोजिशन फॉर image formation. Okay, so image is formed between pole and focus, between pole and focus. Okay, size diminished, highly diminished नहीं, थोड़ा diminished, but diminished रहेगा. Okay, nature same, virtual and erect. Okay, virtual and erect. So these were the cases for image formation of concave mirror. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.